안녕하세요, 꽃돼지입니다. 오늘은 Small Wonders라는 책을 읽어드릴 거예요. 재밌어요. 제가 한번 읽어드릴게요. Small Wonders. Some animals are very big. Some animals are very tall. And some creatures are very small, so small you might not even see them. All around of us, little creatures make their homes. Small fish called minnows live in lakes and ponds and in the ocean too. They swim in groups called schools. Each tiny bees make a buzzing sound. Together, bees can fill the hive with sweet honey. Little crickets hide under rocks and leaves. You might not see them, but you can hear their creeping sounds. Small mice dig burrows underground to make a mouse house. Ants live almost everywhere on Earth. In their big ant colonies, every little ant has its own special job. Keep an eye out for the small wonders all around you. See if you can and spot them or hear them nearby. 끝. 오늘은 여기까지 읽을게요. 그럼 다음에 봐요. 그럼 안녕.